नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, JVN Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about general physical examination. The topic of discussion today will be edema. Let's begin. Definition of edema: accumulation of excessive amount of fluid in the extravascular interstitial space of the body. Anasarca is a severe and generalized edema with profound subcutaneous tissue swelling. So here we can differentiate between edema and anasarca. Some related terms: swelling, the transient abnormal enlargement of a body part or area not due to cell proliferation, is called as swelling. This swelling is not actually the edema. It could be edema, but it should not be necessarily edema. Then effusion, accumulation of excessive fluid in the body cavities, is called as effusion. Demonstration of edema clinically: inspection. The overlying skin may be smooth, shiny, taut, and even hairless. There may be loss of normal small skin wrinkles, obliteration of dorsal finger joint creases, obscurity of metacarpal head, definition, and of dorsal finger extensor tendons. There may be loss of normally distinct appearing edges of medial malleolus. Observe for puffiness of eyelids and face and also the scrotal edema. Observe for signs of inflammation if any. Next is palpation. Press with your right thumb over the following bony backgrounds for 5 to 10 seconds. Different on different books. Medial malleolus, 5 centimeters above medial malleolus. Shin of tibia. Sacrum in cases of non-ambulatory patients. Rib or sternum. Forehead in cases of anasarca. Demonstrating slight edema. Press on a skin over bony area for 10 seconds with at least 3 fingers spread slightly apart. Feel for valleys between hills after release. Now, an important terminology related to edema, which is called as pit recovery time, PRT. Press down firmly all the way to the bone. Start the stopwatch. Shine a light at a tangent across the pit and do not call the pit recovery time until there is no shadow remaining anywhere in the area of the pit. Interpretation: hyperalbuminemia. PRT is more than 40 seconds. PRT is less than 40 seconds in hypoalbuminemia. This is also called as fast edema. Then normoalbuminemia with increased venous pressure or increased capillary permeability. PRT is more than 40 seconds. This is slow edema. How much body fluid may collect in tissue before pitting occurs? The answer is at least 10 alves, that is 4.5 kilograms. Examine for partial edema. Press over a pinch the skin of abdominal wall for at least 5 seconds and look for pitting edema. Test for lymphedema. This is also called as Stemmer's sign. Attempt to pinch and lift skin fold at the base of second toe or middle finger. The test is negative if you are able to pinch skin and positive if you are unable to pinch skin. Negative suggestive of other causes of edema, that is no swelling at base of digit, suggestive of chronic venous insufficiency. Pitting swelling of the base of digit is suggestive of CHF, chronic heart failure, nephrotic syndrome, cirrhosis, etc. Positive indicates lymphedema. Now here is a clinical tip for management. General measures for treatment of edema include management of primary disease, bed rest, sodium restriction, and diuretic administration. That's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.